Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to assign roles to your workspace members, whether as an admin or a member. Calilio allows you to control access and management privileges through two roles. Admin, the role that has full control, can manage settings, numbers, teams, billing, etc. And members, who have limited access, who can communicate with customers but can't modify workspace settings. Assigning roles ensures a secure and organized workspace. And here's how you can do it step by step. First, click on Settings from your Calilio dashboard, and after that, click on Members. Here, you will see a list of all existing members in your workspace. To assign or change a role, click on the three dots beside the member's name. Then click on Change Role. You can choose whichever role that you want to assign. Also remember, you can assign the role of admin only if you yourself are an admin in the workspace. You can update or reassign roles anytime using the same steps if you are an admin. And that's it. That's how you can assign roles in Calilio to manage your team effectively. If you need any further help, contact our Calilio support team via the live chat box. They're available 24/7. Thanks for watching.